Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you about the palettes used in the NetBeans software. So the palettes are nothing but it contains many different kinds of components where we can use by dragging it into the JFrame form. Okay, so this is in NetBeans software application. So as you can see, I have already created a file name sorry, it's not a file name, it's a project name called num and .java. So in the NetBeans software we can create projects. Okay, so the application oriented projects which we can see as a Java UI UX graphical design. So we can design this form according to our need. So this is how it's saved. Java file, then it contains source packages. So we save it using the file name or the class name as we do it in normal Java program, but we had to create a project name separately and the package name separately. So let's see about the packages of NetBeans software. So the packages are right over here. So you can see there are many controls in the package and these palettes, sorry, we can see many controls in the palettes: swing controls, swing menu, windows, AWT and the beans. So by dragging these components into this form, we can create a graphical interface. Okay, so this is called a Java jframe form, and this is the source code where we can edit our graphical interface, whichever functions we have to give to that button or any other component, we can do it here in the source code. Okay, so now so these are the controls. Okay, the swing containers, swing controls, the swing menus, swing filters, AWT and beans. So these are the main content, or these are the controls in the palettes. So by dividing this, we can see there are many components inside which comes under these headings. Okay, so in these swing containers, we can see the palettes, sorry, under the swing containers we can see panels, panel, tabbed pane, scroll pane, split pane and toolbar, etc. Tabbed pane is nothing, and we can see in the Google Chrome where we can see many tabs, right? So switching off those tabs are used in the tabbed pane. So this panel is nothing but grouping of many components. These are the components as you can see. So in this switch controls, this is the main part of the Java JFrame form. Switch controls is used mostly for the small projects, yeah, or often in every projects. For the we can use buttons, text field, etc. So for that, by right clicking, we can go to properties and we can do whatever we want. We can change the text of this button, like we have created a exit button. Okay, so for that exit button we can change the font, we can change the background, or even we can change the button design, we can add the logo, etc. We can do anything in these properties. So these properties can be done in every components inside the palettes according to the need of the user. Okay, then yeah, then next in the palette, so the next is checkbox which comes under swing controls is nothing but to give the user many options. Okay, right, for example, if we give an interface for playing quiz. For quiz, if there are four options, the user must select only one option. So for that, user must tick one option, and we have to understand that the user selected that option. So that to understand which option the user has selected, we can create many checkbox. We can create more than one checkbox. Then user can select only one. Okay. So for that, the checkbox is created. We can edit the, like I said before, we can edit this name in the checkbox. By default, it shows J checkbox 1, J checkbox 2, and so on. How much we create, it depends upon the net. So if we want to name J checkbox 1, we can give different name. Okay. Next is text area. Text area, as you all know, it is the area where we can add text, and the text field also, as I have done the project, the student data, where you can see there are many text boxes: English, physics, chemistry, computer, and the course code. Okay, so these all are text. We can create more than one text if we have to create a interface like this students result. Okay, so this is J text box 1, J text box 2, given the name, but we can add different names according to our need. Okay, so let's look into another compound. So this is the progress bar. So progress bar is nothing, as you can see the name itself. It's we can see the loading, right? Loading somewhere, it will be round. uh, it will show in a round form. So you can see just here. Okay, yeah, this is the normal example of progress bar. It shows that it is progressing. The process is progressing. So yeah, this is the only thing where we can use as a progress bar. So the next is password field, where we can add the password box and add the functions. Okay, then we have separator, where we can separate the components. We have text pane, where we can add the text, then editor pane, table we can also add the table which contains informations. Okay, then we have menu bar. So menu bar, like you can see under the swing menus, menu bar is nothing but, as you can see in the top of this windows, file, edit, view, navigate, so you can see those options. So the options which are lying in a single plane. Okay, so these all options are lying in a single line. This is called as menu bar. So the name of those, the files, edit, view, navigate, these all are menus. Okay, so like this we can drag here. Okay, we can drag here and place. Now you can see the file and edit are coming as default in. So in that JFrame form, I cannot create why, because it's not properly arranged. So I am creating this student result. Okay, so coming back to this, so we have discussed about the menus. Okay, now the pop-up menu is nothing, just a message or a notification coming in a display. Okay, you may heard of pop-up notifications, etc. Okay, then we have AWT options, which contains label, text field, checkbox, etc. same as above, and we can add colors, etc. So then we have discussed about the palettes used in NetBeans, which is the main topic. So in detail, I will explain it more with program in further videos. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. And if you're watching, please like, share and subscribe the video, and put on your comments so that I can improve in my next post. Thank you so much.